Hello, this is Mr. Loftus, and this is a help video for IXL 7th grade V3 and V4. So we're going to use backtracking, and I'm going to explain it as we go. So there was a number. It was multiplied by 2. So I'm going to put multiplied by 2 right here. And then 2 was taken away from it. I get it from right there. And it became 2. So that goes in that box. Now I'm going to work backwards. I'm going to add 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then I'm going to divide by 2, and my answer was 2. So that's what goes right here. If anytime you want to stop this video, just hit pause. I'm going to go fairly quickly. It's just 5 minutes to do about 5 problems. So Q is equal to 2 in that case. Okay, my next problem. There was a number, and 2 things happened to that number. Right now, you might want to test yourself out to see if you can write this in your IXL booklet, hit pause, and write the 2 things that happened to this number. First it was multiplied by 3, and then 7 was taken away from it. It became 5. So we add 5, we get 12, and then divide by 3 and get 4. So notice that on the top we multiplied by 3, bottom we divided by 3. On the top we subtracted 7, on the bottom we added 7. So we do the opposite. And we do it from our answer, or from what's given, which was 5, all the way back to our answer. That's why we call it backtracking. Okay, here's the third problem. This one is from V3. Only one thing happened to it, so I'm only going to use 2 boxes. There was a number, and 2 was added to it. It became 8. So I subtract 2 from 8, so I get an answer of 6. And I'm just checking that it makes sense. 8 equals 6 plus 2, so G is equal to 6. Our next example is also from V3, just a one step. There was a number. Can you tell what happened to it? It was multiplied by 5, and it became 30. So to backtrack from that, we divide by 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. This is a third one from V3, showing division. There was a number. It was divided by 4, and it became 3. So I'm going to backtrack and multiply by 4, and I get 12. So T is equal to 12. And 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, just to check that. And I think we have one more. So there was a number, it was divided by 5, and then 3 was added to it. It became 6. So let's backtrack that. There was a number, it was divided by 5, 3 was added to it, it became 6. And then we work our way backwards to the answer. So 6 minus 3 is 3. And 3 multiplied by 5 gives us an answer of 15. So we can check that by doing 15 divided by 3 plus 3 to see if that's equal to 6, and it is. So n was equal to 15 in this case.